Hello, Nina from Dragon's Garden here. Today we have a special request to package these lovely new dragons for Alina, so they can join her in her home in Germany. So I'll show you how I prepare them and package them. All the dragons get a little defluffing service and of course belly rubs, because they've been cuddling with all the friends. Need to make sure that they arrive fluff-free to their new home to make the best impression. They seem very happy with all the belly rubs. What comes next is a nice ribbon around their neck. I really love this part because it adds just a little extra charm. They're gonna be joining a very big dragon family in Germany, so they have to put their best paw forward and be very pretty. There we go. We cut it a bit to the size. And the first dragon is ready. Let's do the others. Have to make sure that they look very presentable, very pretty, so they will be making a lot of friends. Alina told me that she really loves watching packaging videos and was excited to see how her dragons are gonna be packaged before they come to her. Last but not least, the little one. I'm gonna put just a little purple ribbons. It's so tiny that the big ribbon will not fit. And this one is gonna match the eyes very nicely. Next, they get their little bags. So the tiny weighted guardian goes into a velvety bag. And like this, so it's the first thing that you see when you open up. And make a little ribbon on top. And for the big ones, I normally have cotton bags. Sadly, I did not have the regular website ones, but I have the mystery bag ones, which are the same, just the text is wrong, but I hope that you won't mind to have a little mystery added to your package. Just as for the previous one, this one goes into the bag, so when you open the bag, you're gonna be able to see your dragon at first. Very excited to see you. And they get an extra ribbon on top. So all the lovely dragons are packaged up. Next step is to package the rest of the order. Well, we have 2 bookmarks, one magnetic and one regular bookmark. So we are going to package those just in a little organza bag so they can stay all together. Here we go. And before we stack everything in, we're gonna do the freebies. We're gonna start with a little motivational note matching the beach dragon. Next, a little motivational sticker. Then we have a sticker of a little beach dragon and a butterfly dragon helping the earth, with a business card in pink to protect them. A little extra freebie, I'm gonna match your bookmark together with a notepad and a little acrylic keychain so your dragon can go with you anywhere. And now we are ready to package everything in a box. First we take care of the legal stuff, which is the care and safety. Next goes the invoice right underneath. Next we're gonna put the tissue paper. Dragon freebies go in. We should not forget about the adoption certificates, all the dragons, so you can name them and sign them. I'm gonna put your order with bookmarks flat down, and then we can put the little baggies to go on top. A little note for you on top. And water tape over it. And last but not least, we get to decorate the package with a few of the discard C-grade stickers. So any stickers that are miscut or not properly aligned, they make it onto the packages for a little extra. Last but not least, recycling stickers on. There you go, Alina. Your order is ready to travel to you. I hope you like it. Bye!